Morning, my beautiful people. You know, this is DJ SWICKED Vlogs in the place, guys. Yeah, my beautiful people. And right now, guys, I'm asking you, please and thanks, if you can go over by my music channel. You know, I upload one video over there, but the video that I upload is a stage show. You know, and it kind of have a little out of that stuff in it, so I never really want to upload it on my vlogging channel, because I want to keep a channel that more respectable for people can, you know, come and support. So me need you guys to just go over by the music channel. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below, so you can, you know, go over there and comment. Yeah, guys, so go over there, you know, keep the views them going, guys. You know what I mean? Comment. Yeah. Do the right thing, guys. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. And coming out shortly with a new vlogs for you guys. So don't worry about it, guys. Just keep do the right thing. Keep subscribe to DJ SWICKED Vlogs. Yeah, man. And remember, me have a music channel. So me need you guys to go over there and support it. Yeah, man. Don't worry about it. Yeah, man. You don't know. Go and rough it. Rough it out. Trouble. No what style, you know. That we have to make them see the real we, you know. Yeah, man. One love, guys. See you. Peace out.